The big breakthrough in the Vyapam scam. The Supreme Court today transferred Vyapam scam investigation to the CBI. The top court has given 2 weeks to the Central Bureau of Investigation to respond whether it wants a court-monitored probe or not. It means that the Madhya Pradesh government or the police will have no control over the probe anymore. The second key development is that the top court has issued notices to Centre Madhya Pradesh government and the Madhya Pradesh governor over whether the governor of the state, Ram Naresh Yadav, can be removed or not. In this case, the Apex Court has given 4 weeks to all parties to respond.
The Supreme Court has transferred all the cases pertaining to Vyapam scam on the request made by the government of Madhya Pradesh, while appreciating the stand taken by the government that all cases stand transferred with effect from Monday to CBI.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आज सीबीआई इंक्वायरी के लिए नोटिस जारी किया और केंद्र सरकार के जो वकील हैं उन्होंने भी अपनी सहमति दर्शाई है कि हम सीबीआई जांच के लिए तैयार हैं और बिसल बोर्स की जो पिटीशन है उनको अलग से सुना जाएगा। प्रशांत पांडे और डॉक्टर आनंद राय जो स्वयं तीनों के पिटीशन को अलग से सुना जाएगा क्योंकि उसमें अलग से मुद्दे थे, बिसल बोर्स की सुरक्षा को लेकर कंसर्न दिखाए गए थे।
ये प्रार्थना की थी कि उनकी मॉनिटरिंग में यद्यपि एसटीएफ ने बहुत अच्छी जांच की है, लेकिन कुछ सवाल खड़े हुए हैं और विशेषकर प्रतिपक्षी राजनीतिक दल कांग्रेस ने हम पर कई तरह के आरोप लगाए, घटिया तरह के आरोप लगाए, कमर के नीचे वार किया और संदेह का ऐसा वातावरण निर्मित किया कि जैसे मध्य प्रदेश जैसे हत्याओं का प्रदेश बन गया। जिस ढंग के घटिया आरोप मुझ पर लगाए गए, मैं व्यथित था, मैं बेचैन था और मैं ये चाहता था कि न केवल व्यापम के मामले में ये न्याय के हित में होगा कि अब ये जांच सीबीआई करे, बल्कि जिस तरह के सवाल हम पर खड़े किए गए उनकी सफाई के लिए भी जरूरी था कि ये जांच सीबीआई करे। अभी मैंने जो माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय का फैसला है उसके बारे में जानकारी प्राप्त की है और उन्होंने जो कहा है, we appreciate the stand taken by Attorney General on behalf of Government of Madhya Pradesh and accept the request of government and direct CBI take over all cases.
मैं माननीय उच्चतम न्यायालय के प्रति आभार व्यक्त करता हूं, जिन्होंने आज व्यापम से जुड़े दोनों मसले, व्यापम का घोटाला और व्यापम से जुड़े हुए लोगों की मृत्यु, दोनों के लिए जांच सीबीआई को सौंप दी गई है। जिस बेशर्मी के साथ माननीय राजनाथ सिंह जी और माननीय शिवराज सिंह जी ने पलटी खाई है, यह भी इसका कोई दूसरा उदाहरण देखने को नहीं मिलता। लोगों ने मिलकर लाखों युवकों के जीवन के साथ खिलवाड़ किया है। जो बच्चे जेल में बंद हैं, उनको सभी को सरकारी गवाह बनाया जाना चाहिए।
We have with us BJP spokesperson Sambit Patra. Sambit, finally the Vyapam case is being transferred to CBI. What do you have to say on that?
This is an endorsement of the demand that was kept by the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister, Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan. And you would see that the very first day, when the unfortunate incident of death of one of your reporters, Mr. Akshay Singh, occurred, that was the day when Arun Jaitley, the finance minister of the country, has said that we wanted Nispaksh Janch, that is the investigation of the highest order. Rajnath Singh, the Home Minister of the country, had also said that though we cannot instruct the Apex Court, but surely we can request the court that whatever kind of investigation they want, we are with the court. And in fact, day before yesterday, what we had been articulating vocally We in fact gave a written note to the High Court and submitted the same to the Supreme Court that we want a CBI investigation. That was a request, and today the court has accepted the request of the Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Mr. Shivraj Singh Chauhan.
But don't you think it puts your own government in a spot, because you know there have been more than 45 plus deaths and still the government prevaricated? What stopped them from writing to the court earlier to order an investigation when the whole thing is under such cloud? Name of Shivraj Singh family himself being put into the question. Role of governor is under cloud. Why didn't Shivraj Singh Chauhan order a High Court CBI probe earlier?
Two things. I mean, on the issues of death, one has to be extremely sensitive, and that's what Bharatiya Janata Party is. Be it a single death or multiple deaths, every death needs to be investigated. That has been the stand of the government right from the very beginning. And as far as why it was not referred to the CBI in the very beginning, the answer is quite clear. The case had gone to the High Court, and the High Court had said that since it is under my monitoring that this whole case is going on, I am satisfied the way the investigation by the STF and the SIT is moving. And the whole case had also gone to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court had said that they were satisfied the way the whole investigation was moving, and there was no need of shifting it to the CBI. And to
Well, joining me now is my colleague Anusha Soni from the Supreme Court. She was in fact there throughout the proceedings today. Anusha, the politics aside, the court made some crucial, indications. The court said certain things against the High Court of Jabalpur also. Could you take us through the proceedings and how big is this development?
Well, the case today morning at 11:30 at the Chief Justice Chamber began with the petition concerning the governor's immunity under the Article 361 of the Indian Constitution that saves the governor from any criminal prosecution. Arguing in the matter, Kapil Sibal said that how far can we go at a time when we are talking about increased transparency and more accountability in the higher levels of decision making? How far can the immunity go? He also presented various documents in the court today in which not only the governor's son were involved in this entire scam, allegedly involved in this entire scam, but also at one point Yadav was also named as an accused in the matter. This was the point that Kapil Sibal brought forward in front of the court. He also pointed out that when earlier it was asked from the High Court that how should the STF and SIT should go forward in the matter since the high and mighty involved, the High Court said you go ahead and take action against whosoever you wish. However, then the High Court in May retracted and quashed the FIR against the governor.
All right, thank you so much, Anusha, for bringing us all those details. The biggest story of the day today, CBI probe for the Vyapam scam. In fact, the other big development is that the Supreme Court notice on the MP governor's removal. The top court has sent a notice to Centre Madhya Pradesh government and the governor's office on the ouster of Ram Naresh Yadav as the governor, and has given 4 weeks time to all parties to respond. Sources tell India Today that the government may ask Madhya Pradesh governor to step down in wake of this Supreme Court notice. Madhya Pradesh Governor Ram Naresh Yadav is accused of conspiracy, forgery and the Vyapam scam. The Special Task Force had alleged he had recommended 5 names for recruitment as forest guards by using unfair means in the investigation conducted by the Madhya Pradesh Professional Examination Board, or Vyapam. Kamlesh Sutar, my colleague, is now joining us live for more on this. Kamlesh, the developments today in the Supreme Court and the notice that has been sent to the governor's office, the state government of Madhya Pradesh and the centre has almost made the position of the governor completely untenable. Any word about him stepping down voluntarily now?
Not officially though, but many in the political circles of Madhya Pradesh believe that it seems that the writing is on the wall, because now considering the mounting pressure on the governor and the MP government as well about the governor's role. Remember, the links of the murky Vyapam scam had reached the governor's house. He is accused of recommending certain names for appointments in the Vyapam scam. His son's name had also come in the entire scam. But given the fact, as it was presented in the Supreme Court today, the constitutional immunity that the governor has over criminal proceedings, that would perhaps be embarrassing in case that happens. But before anything of that sort could happen, what the talks in the powers of corridor in Madhya Pradesh are that he is likely to step down. He may be asked to step down in a few days from now.